Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily unlock the Baddie Pass on Dress to Impress. Basically, what you're going to want to do is you are going to play in farming servers. I know people are against that, but I mean, it's like the the easiest way to level up your levels in Baddie Pass. Right now, I'm already almost at level 27, and that's me playing for like 2 to 3 days. Basically, you're going to want to go to this server or other servers that have like farming servers on Discord. So I use the DTI Angels one because it's not very crowded. You do have to kind of wait in line though for some servers. I recommend the 24/7 farming server, so it's always up. You're just going to use your auto clicker basically and just vote for people 5 stars. And basically you're just going to then easily level up your Baddie Pass. The XPs aren't very hard this season. It's not as hard as the summer one, so you can unlock everything in no time. So I probably need just one more day for these to be completed because they do need XPs as the level progresses. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. That's how you can unlock all of the Baddie Pass items. Obviously, if you want to unlock the diamond one, you do have to pay for it. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.